All right, guys, welcome back to PackWiseGear. So today we are doing a product launch, and this is, I think, the most creative design I ever came with. And well, this is not it. The product is inside this box, and I'm really proud of it, and I think this can really help EDC community um, to um, to really use this and to their advantage. And so this product is an EDC wallet. So it's probably the smallest wallet I have ever designed. So this is my fourth or fifth design, and from the products which actually went to the POC stage, but from the 5 designs, only one actually went in production, and which we are selling on Etsy right now, and also on Amazon. But the other designs I made it, but I didn't actually like them myself, and we didn't went on with it. But I still have them. If you guys want to see some of the passport wallets, some are just regular EDC wallet. But this one is going in for production, and this one will be on Etsy, and the link will be in the description below. So let's look at it. It comes with this packaging. So this is the packaging. So depending on so black on black and black on red. So the wallet will have around 6 to 7 colors at this point. So let's look at the blue one. It comes with a nice package here, and so this is the wallet, guys. So this is it's a Z construction, and it can hold 6 credit cards in total. And on the other side, you can fold bills, notes, and you can put on this pocket if you want. And I'll do a detailed demo from my other camera up on the top here. But just to look at it, extremely sleek design, and really slim, can fit in any possible pocket. On the slings, backpacks, tech pouches, front jeans pocket. So this is a digital blue color, and the construction of this is printed by FDM printer. So it's produced custom built, has the flexibility which you needed. The materials which are used here are called TPU. So it's a flexible material. And I have been testing this for last month or so. I'm really proud of it, and so the colors we have right now is, I'll show you a few which we have on the table here, but we will have coyote brown, we will have olive dab green, which is the famous colors in EDC community. So I think a great gift from my side to the EDC community, and I'm going to make sure the pricing on this is very affordable, because this because some of the companies which making wallets of minimalist styles, and the prices are so high that it really becomes unaffordable. And so I'm trying my level best to not compromise on quality, source the best materials available, and at the same time keep it very reasonable for my customers, consumers to use and enjoy the product. And I think that's the main thing. So let's switch to the top camera here, and we're gonna go do deep dive into this. Keep watching PackWiseGear. Thank you. All right, guys. So this is a nice gift box. It comes with, which is also 3D printed, and this is how the wallet looks like. So I'm gonna just give a peek to how it looks like. So this is the blue digital blue color. Very nice color. So this wallet, looking from the top, it has a Z construction. Okay, so you can put the cards here, you can put the cards here. And the way I have designed this, so this is a reinforcement channels here, which has a 3D card slot on both sides built in. So I have this dummy card here. So if I put right in there, it's going to hold snug. Okay, really tight fitting in there. And if when I do that, it's not going to come out. But when I want to take it out, it's rather very simple. Just comes out very nicely because this is a flexible material. It really goes in nicely just like that. So I don't know, it's very difficult to see how it is from inside, but the material is very flexible. Now I am working on another iteration of this, which I cannot reveal what that will look like, but that will have some more features. But this is if you want a simple wallet with just 6 credit card holders. And the other side can also be used to put any currency. So you can fold, I think about 5-6 notes, $1, $100 bills, and you can put in this pocket. It's pretty tight, and it's not gonna come out. Okay, so built for 3 credit cards on each side, really nice and snug, and like elegant, guys, like really elegant, nice and smooth, and looks kind of cool. And this is the flame blue color. Now obviously there is a black, and then we have red, and this is another black. I just made 2 blacks. So obviously I'm going to have a coyote brown, and I'm going to have an olive dab. I just sourced those materials because they are very rare colors, coyote brown and OD green, but those colors are very popular in EDC world. So not much to talk about. It comes with this gift box, which you can use to do anything else later on. So this is also plastic build. This is and you can use it for anything else later on, to store things, your EDC stuff, if needed. Now, I thought about using the wallet for the EDC. You can, but obviously we haven't tested this to that point, that if we can or not. But yes, it can be used to store small things like this multi-tool can slide it in there. This is from Big Idea Design, their knife. So you can slide that if you need. I was thinking to provide kind of a hole here for the like paracords or zipper pulls or something like that, but I didn't, because I don't think it's necessary. And if you have tools like this, you can obviously have that kind of feeling with it, like you can just drop in a pen. Like this pen is very difficult to get in, but obviously small tools can go in. But actually the Big Idea Design multi-knife, actually, this has hex key here and the flat head here. So it has like 3 tools in it. Went in very nicely, nice and snug. But this thing is not going nice and snug. So but yeah, it's you can do that. You can use this for that purpose if needed. But just FYI, I haven't tested it with different tools. The longevity of this is only tested with the 3 cards here and 3 cards here, 6 cards in total. So I'm just telling you guys that, and I haven't priced it yet. I will do some research and we'll price this soon. And it's going to be very reasonable for sure. Thank you for watching, and keep watching PackWise Gear.